Adobe Photoshop CC, Essentials Training Course Review. Hello, my name is Adeline. I am a member of the team SaveWalletCoupons.com. To get the course called Adobe Photoshop CC, Essentials Training Course, all you have to do is to visit our site, SaveWalletCoupons.com, and here you will find an article called Adobe Photoshop CC, Essentials Training Course, Udemy Code. Inside the article you will find two red links. Just click one of them and access the course. Let me show you. Don't worry, you will find the link to the article and to the course in description. Let me tell you the description of the course called Adobe Photoshop CC, Essentials Training Course. Are you struggling to learn Photoshop on your own? This course will allow you to use Photoshop professionally. You will be able to add Photoshop to your CV and start getting paid for your Photoshop skills. In this course I will teach you everything you need to know about getting started with Photoshop. You'll learn how to use Photoshop for use in graphic design and for Photoshop retouching. You will create lots of your own projects that you can add to your own portfolio to help your employment. This course is for beginners. You do not need any previous knowledge of Photoshop, photography or design. We will start right at the beginning and work our way through step by step. You will learn the Photoshop secret sauce, whereby we will magically enhance our background and when necessary completely remove people from images. There are exercise files available to download so that you can follow along with me in the videos. There are lots of assignments I will set so that you can practice the skills you have learned. If you have never opened Photoshop before, or you have already opened Photoshop and are struggling with the basics, follow me and together we will learn how to make beautiful images using Photoshop. I will review this course with 5 wallets from a max of 5. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I wish you a great day.